welcome to my channel. I am Jessica, if you haven't been before. Thank you for coming. I am very glad to see you. I am going to be doing this makeup look, so I'm going to do a tutorial of it. I hope that you like it. Keep watching to find out how I do it. Okay, so I've already done my base of my makeup, so I've done my foundation and my powder and concealer and stuff. So if you want to check out the video for that, I did actually film myself doing it because I put it up as my current foundation routine. So I will leave the link down below for you guys whenever that's uploaded. I'm just quickly doing my brows with my NYX brow gel and my Morphe M165 brush. Now, using my NYX full coverage concealer in the shade Fair, I'm just going in with my Morphe Y21 brush just to make sure that my brows are all neat and even. This also acts as a sort of eyeshadow primer as well, because it just creates a nice sort of base for your eyeshadow, and it does definitely help it to last throughout the day. And I'm just going to neaten that out with my finger, well, blend it out with my finger. And then I'm going to set that with my Manna Kadar Beauty HD Perfecting Powder. You can just use any kind of neutral coloured creamy eyeshadow if you want to, or you can use your translucent powder as well. Now I'm going to make a start on my eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm using this, so the Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette, which I've just got. I am still, I've only just got this, and so I'm still trying to work out which colours kind of go together and what will look nice for a makeup look. So this might look terrible, I just hope it doesn't, but yeah. I'm going to start off with this shade in the top corner here, and I'm going to just blend that out with my Morphe E13 brush. Okay, that's good. It's just a fairly neutral colour. It's really nice. So you're going to blend that over the crease and then up towards your brow. You can take it quite far out if you want to. Next, I'm taking my H&M Crease Blending brush and using this shade here, and I'm going to start to work that into the outer edge of my eye and then work towards the crease. You can be quite liberal with this, and if you keep it like fairly close to, just on the eyelid to begin with, and then start to work it out as the product lessens on your brush, then it's just going to look a whole lot neater, and it just, it won't look silly. And I'm going to blend that out further using my Morphe M165 brush. I'm still not 100% sure what I'm going to do for this makeup look, so I'm just making it up as I go along, which is always fun, but scary. I'm now going to go in with the same H&M Crease Blending brush and this darker shade in the corner here. I'm hoping that it actually looks darker when it's on, because, yeah, it does look darker. So, you're going to start to work this just into the outer corner of the eye, and yeah, don't take it as far as you took either of the last colours. You're just literally going to keep it on the outer edge and slightly up into the crease. I've decided I'm going to do a cut crease look. So going back in with my NYX full coverage concealer, and my Morphe Y21 brush, I am just going to create that cut crease. Taking my Real Techniques eyeshadow shading brush, I'm going to use this really lovely shimmery pink shade in the middle. And you just have to be really careful when you're applying this because we're going to go onto that area that we've just created for the cut crease. Sometimes I find it is actually easier to use your finger, so I think I'm going to do that. I think that it just creates a more sort of dramatic and pigmented look. I'm going back in with my H&M Crease Blending brush and the sort of lighter of the darker shades we used, and I'm just going to sort of merge the two together. Now I'm going to take this lighter shade in the bottom here, and I'm going to take that and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. You can also take the white shade as well and just apply that under your brow, just for like a dramatic, a dramatic look. It's always good to put a bright white, or this is obvious and you guys know this, but yeah, it's always good to put like a bright white under your brow bone because it just really lifts it and creates a nice look. I don't know what I'm going on about, but you know what I mean. Lastly, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to say to go in with this shade, the lighter of the two darker ones, and I'm just going to take sort of a flat brush just to apply this under my lashes. My lingo is just so weird tonight. I don't know what I'm saying to you, but yeah, I just feel like I'm rambling quite a lot tonight. Maybe I just need to go to sleep now. For this look, I want it to be a bit like sort of an explosion of the pink. So I want it to go quite far out underneath. So just blending it as much as possible from one corner to the other. And then as you get less product on your brush, as always, you can start working it out a bit further. Now I'm just taking my Maybelline Master Ink liner to do a nice wing for my liner. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder. It's the Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. Moving forward to the lashes, I'm going to use these ones, which I have recently got. I have used them once in a makeup look. So they're Girls with Attitude London lashes, and they are in the style Mythical. I think these are really nice lashes actually. They look lovely, and I was just really drawn to them because they were quite cheap actually. I got them in Primark and they're amazing, to be honest. So now that I've done the lashes, I'm just going to move on to the last bit of my face makeup. I'm going to use my Nip and Fab contour palette just to do my contour. And I'm going to use the brush this is the one that I actually used for my foundation. I'm going to go in with this shade at the top here in the middle. Going to go in with highlight now. So I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aura Glow Kit. I think I'm going to use Eclipse because that is just one of the more neutral shades in this palette. And then sometimes I do a little bit on my Cupid's bow and then on the end of my nose as well. To finish off this makeup look, I'm going to do my lipstick, and I'm using this new lipstick that I've got, which is from Makeup Revolution, and it is in the shade Chauffeur. Apparently it's called Iconic Matte Revolution Lipstick. I'm actually just feeling like I kind of want to sparkle this up a bit. I'm probably going to regret doing this, but I'm going to use this crushed metallic lipstick, which is from Primark, and it is in the shade Lilac. I think I would just like to do a little bit here. Oh my word, what have I done? Yeah. This is interesting. Okay, so when you spread it out a little bit, it is just like a light sparkle on your lips, which is nice. So this is my finished makeup look using my Makeup Revolution new palette that I've just got. This is the Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette, and I am really happy with it. I really wanted to find a nice makeup palette that had sort of pinky burgundy sort of tones in it, and I think this is exactly what I was looking for. And I really like these lashes. I'm a big fan of them. Let me know if you have this palette too, or if you've got any of the other Reloaded Neutrals palettes. I really hope that you've enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you did like it, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it really makes my day when I see a new subscriber. It does, honestly. Every single one makes me happy, so thank you to anybody that has subscribed. As mentioned before, I will be putting my foundation routine up soon. I don't know if I will upload it before or after this video, but we'll see. But I will definitely let you know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna go now, but thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. So bye bye, thank you.